Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk to you about the escape room. Some of you had difficulties with the escape room. So, first and foremost, hopefully some of you were able to get all the way down to lock number 4. I think some of you were having quite a few issues with lock number 4. But before I get down to number 4, let me just say that the other 3 locks are 4-letter locks. Excuse me. Some of you sent me screenshots of the fact that you couldn't get into the lock. All right, so let's look at this lock. So it says a 4-letter lock. Use your letters you choose for each answer and then type them in sequential order with no spaces. Let's just say you type that in. And then it says, oops, try again. Make sure it's all lowercase with no spaces. So what that means is one of two things. Either you have one of the questions incorrect or you didn't put them lowercase with no spaces. Some of you are sending me screenshots of the answers saying, Ms. Savanchi, they're all lowercase and there's no spaces. Why won't it let me go on? Well, that's because you have one of the answers incorrect or more than one of the answers incorrect. Now, when you come down to, excuse me, lock number 4, some of you were putting in words. It specifically says type your answer in sequential order, leaving one space between your answers. If you watch the video that I made with the instructions, it tells you that this answer can only be numbers, and it gives you an example right here. So for example, if your first answer was 300 years, you would put 300 and then you would push the space bar. Okay. A lot of you are putting the word American as one of your answers. That's not one of the answers. And then also some of you thought that for some reason, for lock number 4, number 3, you needed an answer. Well, number 3 is just information. It's just telling you that the Middle Passage is the name for the journey that the enslaved Africans took across the ocean. So please make sure that you are checking your answers. That's why I told you to have a scrap sheet of paper to write down your answers. That way you can go back and look and read the information and see if you have the correct answer. The escape room does work if you have all of the correct answers. Many students have been able to escape it. So just make sure you have the correct answers. Make sure the bottom one is numbers only with spaces in between. And for lock number 4, number 3 does not have an answer. It is just an informational statement. Okay, if you have questions, let me know.